All right, so we're on the 14th. It's Thursday. And so today we're working on multiplication application word problems. All right, so we got one of these little pizzazzes here. This one's going to be one where you mark out your correct answers at the bottom, and then what's left of the letters will be the answer to the clue. All right, and this is really good because then you can check yourself as you're going. If your answer is not down there, you're not right. So go back and check it and go again. All right, so these are all multiplication. All right, do notice that there's some distractor numbers like 14 karat gold. That 14 doesn't matter there. Okay, that's just the type of gold. Okay, and there's some things like that. All right. One I did want to point out to you is where it says Rachel has a collection of 40 stuffed animals. Number 10 of these, 3/8 are bears, 1/5 are dogs, the rest are other animals. How many other animals does she have? So you got bears, dogs, and other animals. So you can do this a couple of different ways. You could find what fraction are other animals, then multiply, or you could just multiply the fraction of bears out of 40 and then dogs out of 40, and then subtract what's left, and that will be how many are other animals. Either way, there should be some multiplying of fractions involved there, but you're not multiplying 3/8 times 1/5. No, you're doing 3/8 times 40 and 1/5 times 40, or you have to add those two fractions together and then multiply times 40. All right. So the way I want this work to look, though, what I'm looking for is when you're doing your work and then turning it in, is you have some fraction times something equals something right here, right? And then you put a box around your answer, and you do that for all 10 of them. Number them clearly forming like that. That's what I want turned in. Okay. Now, if you also can, want to turn in the pizzazz sheet with the answers, that's fine. But what I'm looking for is that you have the 10 of them done with the answers boxed in. I will provide a video going over the answers, but this is the kind of thing that there's no reason you should not try it before you look over my answers. If you did have some wrong, then correct them and put a second submission in there and just let me know which one was the first submission so I can see what you need to learn what mistakes you were learning from. That shows me how to help you out going forward. Okay, so this is the way that I want this practice to work. Okay, so again, I'm looking for the 10 problems turned in like this. All right. Only obviously not with squiggly lines. All right. So check back for the answer video after you've done your work.